Hello, this is Jack Mackinson. This is the parts I need to build a custom PC. It's very high end, and it's probably more than anyone would spend on a custom computer. The first item is a Gigabyte Z 790 Aorus LGA 1700 is the socket, and it's Intel for uh, Intel processors. The case is called a Corsair ICUE 5000D RGB. RGB means it has colors to it, and it's a mid tower case. Now I have two drives. I have one, a Samsung 990 M.2 2280 terabyte. That's for my data. That's where I store all my uh, photographs, videos, and things like that. Uh, my primary is a Samsung 980 Pro M.2 2280 500 gigabytes. Now that's where I keep my operating systems. I have two. I have Windows 10 Pro, and I also have Linux Mint 21.1 to fit on that. The memory is the G.Skill Trident Z5 RGBC Series 32 gigabyte. That's two 16 gigabyte sticks. And this says a Microsoft Windows 11 Pro, but I'm going with the 10 Pro. And we got the cable ties, the computer. Uh, the CPU processor is a Intel Core i9 2012 900KF desktop processors with 16 cores. Now for the cooler for the CPU is the Coolmaster RR112TK 120 millimeter fan CPU cooler. Okay, my monitor is LG Ultrafine 24-inch UHD monitor. Okay, now for the gaming chair, I have a Dowinks. I don't know how to pronounce that right. Gaming chair recliner, and my mouse is a HyperX Pulsefire Dart. Okay, for my video card, I have a Asus Dual GeForce RTX 3060 with 16 gigabytes of RAM for my graphics. And let's see, for my power supply, I have an EVGA 850 GQ, and it's a gold standard, and it's semi-modular. And last but not least is the keyboard is a HyperX Alloy Elite 2 full-size wired mechanical gaming keyboard. Estimated cost total is $3,600. So that'll be it for now.